Next up, we have a medley of Bollywood songs. India being our closest neighbor, we are extremely excited to include these guest items in the Rhythma lineup this year. Not only do we have three wonderful singers, but we have an entire band of performers who will dazzle you with their talents and music from their home, India.
Mere Sapna Ki Rani is a popular Hindi song from the 1969 Bollywood movie Aradhana. The song was composed by Sachin Dev Burman and was penned and performed by Kishore Kumar. In the film, the hero, Rajesh Khanna, sings the song atop an open jeep, virtually chasing his heroine, Sharmila Tagore, who is aboard the toy train in Darjeeling. The song became a super hit in India. Many other versions of this song were made, such as the song Atta Dilisana Hiru by famous Sri Lankan singer H.R. Jyotipala. Mere Sapna Ki Rani will be sung by Siddharth.
Following up, we have the song Kisi Na Kisi Se Kabhi, sung originally by legendary singer Muhammad Rafi from the movie Kashmir Ki Kali, 1965, directed by Shakti Samantha. Music composed by O.P. Nair and lyrics of this song penned by S.H. Bihari. The song is a tribute to golden era of Hindi music, movies and Bollywood music and will be performed by Priya Ravi.
Finally, we will have Ye Apna Dil Towara from the 1958 film Solva Saal, which will be performed by Vijay Pralad. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Awaz Music Group.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we start our first song, I'd like to quickly introduce the musicians that we have for our performance tonight. From our left, we have got Avinesh on the congas. We have got Bimlesh on the electronic octopad drums. My name is Dr. Vijay. I am playing the keyboards. I've got Preeti on the bass guitar, got Malavika on the rhythm guitar. On the percussions, we have got Prem and Priya. And our first vocalist for tonight is Dr. Ravi. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A special thanks to Dr. Priyanta, who had invited us here. And he helped us coordinate the whole thing. Thank you so much, Dr. Priyanta.
The first song is by Dr. Ravi, and it's Kisi Na Kisi Se Kabhi Na Kabhi, and he's going to play the harmonica along with his singing. Thank you.
दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। एक से एक हंसी ठहरी है, किस किस को मैं देखूं, किसको जग में अपना समझूं मैं अपने लो। कोई रंगीली झलझली, कोई रंगीली रसीद झलझली, आज मेरी जिंदगी भाग रहेगी। किसी न किसी से दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। हाँ, किसी न किसी से दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। वो दुनिया जिसे कहते हैं, वो दुनिया जिसे कहते हैं। कौन वो किस्मत वाले हैं जो लोग कहते हैं। दुख मेरा दिल एक वही चल, दुख मेरे दिल के वही चल, आए जहाँ हाथ कोई देश नहीं अचल। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। ऐसे नाजुक हो जिसका शबनम फूलों हो, चांद सच में होता है जब रात को सोती हो। आँख शराबी बाल गुलाबी, आँख शराबी शराबी बाल गुलाबी, प्यार से सवार दे जो जिंदगी मेरी। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी दिल लगाना पड़ेगा।
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and this is on the special request of the President of the Sri Lankan Association, and I'm thankful for the committee for inviting us. This is a new venture for the little orchestra that you can see here. This is all homegrown. I'm extremely proud of the effort that has been put in by my fellow musicians, because some years ago when we performed in this particular venue, we had karaoke singing and singing without any music. We've come a long way in as far as the Hindi music, Indian music is concerned. So I'm hoping that in future we'll be able to do even better, bigger projects. So the next number is Hai Apna Dil To Awara. Hai apna dil to awara, na jaane kis pe aayega. Hai apna dil to awara, na jaane kis pe aayega. Apna dil to awara, na jaane kis pe aayega. हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यूं ही न समझा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यूं ही न समझा। बहुत बोला मेरे बेचारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। अजब दीवाना, नजर न ठिकाना, रंग से बेगाना, फलक से जुदा। अजब दीवाना, नजर न ठिकाना, रंग से बेगाना, फलक से जुदा। एक टूटा हुआ तारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। ज़माना देखा सारा, है सबका सहारा, ये दिल ही हमारा हुआ किसी का। ज़माना देखा सारा, है सबका सहारा, ये दिल ही हमारा हुआ किसी का। सफर में है ये अंधारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। हुआ जो कभी राजी, वो मिलना नहीं बाजी, यहाँ पे लगी बाजी, वहीं पे हारा। हुआ जो कभी राजी, तो मिलना नहीं बाजी,